Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to go to the next line in the same cell in Excel. We understand in most cases, if you input data in a particular cell and then press enter, it takes you to the next cell. In most cases, to the cell below. So today I'm going to show you how you can go to the next line in the same cell in Excel. I'll show you two ways on how you can go about this, so make sure you stick around. So the first way is using a combination of Alt and Enter keys on your keyboard. So let's just input data in this particular cell and then press Alt and Enter key. You can see it takes us to the next line. Let's input another random number and then press Alt and Enter key, and you can see it's as easy as that. I'll show you another way on how you can go about this. So let's just input a text, Excel basics for beginners. So the next way is using the wrap text. So what you need to do is to make sure you select the cell that contains the data, and then under home tab, tap on or click on wrap text, and there you go. So you can resize the column based on how you want your text to be aligned. You see? So it's as easy as that. So that's it about our today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next video. Bye.